Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Stroud. Today is May 14th, 2020. It's a little gray out today and it's probably going to rain, so you probably want to find a good movie to do. Or, hey, let's get our grammar and phonics done. Alrighty. Today we have Reader's Notebook number 2 for our grammar. We are on page 3. And we are working on adjectives that tell how many. So how many? An adjective is a word that describes or tells about a noun. Some adjectives tell how many. An adjective that tells how many comes before the noun it describes. So let's take a look at our example here. It says she saw 3 birds in a nest. How many birds? 3. So we're going to use our thinking question. Which word tells how many? Let's get started. It says write the adjective that tells about the underlying noun. So the noun is underlined. There are 2 paths along the river. So think about it. Which one tells how many paths? 2. Absolutely. Write it on the line. There's your given. Number 2. My dad hikes to the river with 4 friends. How many friends? Write it on the line. Number 3, they bring 5 bags to collect trash. How many bags? Right. My dad picks up many cans. What describes cans? There you go. Write it on the line. Number 5, soon 2 bags are filled with trash. How many bags? Then they see several cans in the shallow river. How many cans? Not necessarily always a number, right? Number 7, 3 men have boots and wade in the water. How many men? Number 8, they use a net to pull 17 cans out of the river. Ooh, that's a lot of cans. How many are there? Write it on the line. And number 9, a few more pieces of trash are under the bench. What describes pieces? Like I said, not always a number word. And there we go. Number 10, their walk home is about 1 mile. Ooh, that sounds like a long way. Alrighty, so that's your adjectives. That's your grammar page for today. Make sure you spelled all your words correctly. They're right there on the page. Okay, let's go on to our phonics page. It's page number 4. It's the next page. Reader's Notebook 2, page number 4. And here we have our spelling word sort. It says write each basic word under the correct heading. Now, yesterday we talked about this. This is vowel plus R sound in air, spelled A-I-R. And then we have vowel plus R sound in fear, spelled E-A-R, like ear. Then we have, these ones are a little different, vowel plus R sound in air, spelled E-A-R. So we have E-A-R. Some words sound like air, but they're E-A-R. And then we have vowel plus R sound in air. Sounds like air, but it's spelled A-R-E. So let's take a look at our basic words, and that's number 1 through 14. And I'm going to read them for you. We have air, like we breathe. Wear, like we wear our shoes. Chair, that we sit on. Stairs, that we walk up. Bear. Now, this isn't a bear that lives in the woods. It is like a bare arm. If I shave all my hair off my arm, it's bare. Or if I wear a sleeveless shirt, I have bare arms. Then we have bear, B-E-A-R. That's the bear that lives in the woods. Number 7 is hair. Number 8 is care. Like, I really care about you getting all this work done. That's why I'm helping you. Number 9 is pear. That's the pear that we eat. Okay, it's a fruit. Then we have pair, P-A-I-R, like a pair of socks. Meaning two, goes together. It's a pair. Then we have share, which we like to do with our toys. Number 12 is near. If I'm near you, I'm very close. Number 13 is your ear. Part of your head, right? Attached to your head, your ear. That's how we hear. And number 14, beard. I wonder if a lot of your dads are growing beards during this time at home. A beard is the hair, facial hair. Okay? All right, let's take a look. We have air. Where would that go? The air sound spelled A-I-R, the air sound spelled E-A-R, or the air sound spelled A-R-E? Well, of course, it's A-I-R, so we're going to put it over here. Then we have where. It doesn't say ear, like fear, okay? So it's where. So it's one of these two. We have chair, spelled A-I-R, and makes the air sound over here. Stairs, same thing. Bear, it's A-R-E, but it sounds like air, exactly. Then we have bear that lives in the woods. It's E-A-R, but it still sounds like air. Then we have hair on our head, spelled A-I-R. You tell me where that one goes. Care, A-R-E, but it sounds like air, A-I-R. Then we have pear. It's E-A-R, but it sounds like A-I-R, right? Air. And then pear spelled A-I-R. That sounds like A-I-R. We have share, A-R-E, still sounds like air. And how about this one? Near. Makes the ear sound, right? And then we have ear, your ear. And then we have beard. Okay, so that's your spelling sort for today. Let's look at our review. It says add one review word to your word sort. Which review word cannot be added to the word sort? So we have by and year. Which one can't go in there? Which one doesn't have the air sound or the ear sound? And finally, add the challenge words to your word sort. Here we go. Earring, something I have on today, earring. And compare. All right, boys and girls, that's it for today. Have a great day, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye.